solving paper of Ajmal Super 40. Earlier we have solved till question number 90. We have solved till question number 90. Now we will start solving from question number 91. So here it's given if A is equal to question number 91. As you can see, if A is equal to 1 by 3 B and B is equal to 1 by 2 C, then A is to B is to C is equal to, we need to find that one. So I have solved it previously, so I will explain how to solve. So as we know, A is equal to 1 by 3B and B is given as 1 by 2C. So in place of B we can write 1 by 3 into B is 1 by 2C. So this will be, if you multiply, it will be equal to 1 by 6. So B can be written, B is given as 1 by 2C, as you can see here. So now we will find out A is to B is to C is equal to, so A is, we have found out before, A is 1 by 6C. So here you need to put is 2, I have not put is 2, so so it's understood that here we need to put is 2. B is 1 by 2C, then is 2 dot, then C. So what we will do here, so in order to remove the denominator, we will multiply all the fractions or all the number whatever is given by 6. So if we multiply all by 6, on the top we will get 6C, 6C by 2 and 6C. So if we cancel 6 and 6, we will be left with C. If we cancel 2 by 6 by 2, it will be 3C. So 6 is multiplied by C is 6C. Now in order to get the ratio in numbers, we have to remove C. So what we will do, we will divide all the given variable by C. So C and C will be cancelled, C and C will be cancelled, 3 left here, C and C will be cancelled. We will be left with 1 here, 3 here, 6 here. So 1 is to 3 is to 6 is the answer. So we'll check 91. We have option, the first option is our answer. The first option is 1 is to, so this is our answer. This is our answer, right? Yeah, number 1 is our answer. Next is number 2. If rupees 420 is divided between A and B in the ratio 3 is to 4, then A's share is, we have to find the share of A. So if something is given in ratio, then we can put a variable and can assume it. Let if A and B, so it is 3 is to 4, so we'll assume A's part is 3x, B's part is 4x, and if it is given total as 420. So if we make fraction, 3x plus 4x will be equal to 420. And the next part, where is the next part? Here is the next part. So here I have written in details. Let A's share be 3x, B's share be 4x. So 3x plus 4x is 420. If you get 7x, if you add this 2, it is 7x equal to 420. So x will be equal to 420, as 7 will go down. If we cut it, then it will be 7 6 is 42, 60. If you divide 420 by 7, the answer will be 60. Since we are getting the value of x as 60, s share will be equal to 3x. So in place of x, if we put 60, it will be 3 into 60, so it will come as 180. So we'll check if we get 180. 180 to 40 to 70, yes, we have our option. This one is our answer, 180. So next is number 90. So now we'll solve question number 93. If 8 men can finish a work in 40 days, if 2 more men join, then the work will be completed in how many days? We have to find out. So if 8 men can complete in 40 days, 1 man can complete in 40 multiplied by the number of men. So 10 men will be equal to 40 into this one divided by 10. So we will get the solution as 32 days. So this will be our answer. Next question is question number 94. A rope can make 140 rounds of the circumference of a cylinder. The radius is 14. How many rounds can it make with a cylinder with radius 20 centimeter? So the circumference of a cylinder, if a cylinder is, formula will be 2 pi r. So if we multiply the number of rounds with the circumference of the cylinder, we will get the length of rope. Length of rope equal to 140 into circumference of a cylinder. So it will be 2 pi r. So this is the length of the rope. Now in order to get the number of rounds, if we divide this, the length of the rope, by the circumference of the new cylinder, that is 2 pi r, 2 pi into 20 centimeter. That means this divided by 2 into pi into 20 centimeter. If we cancel, then 2 and 2 will be cancelled. This pi will be cancelled. If we cancel 0, 0 will be cancelled. 2 sevens are 14. So if you multiply this 2, remaining 98 will be the number of rounds. So we'll check if we have 98. We should have 98. 28, 17, 98, yeah. So this is our answer. 98. Question number 95. In an examination, 95% of the total examinees passed. If the number of the failure is 28, how many examinees were there? So we have the 90 total percentage of the examinees passed and the number of failures. So in order to find out the total number, we'll assume that the total number be x. So that means the number of students who have passed is 28. Fail is 28. That means that this is 5% of the total, as 95% have passed. So 5% of x will be equal to 28. Then it's simple. 5 by 100 into x will be equal to 28. So if we keep x here and cross multiply it, 100 will go up, 5 will come down. So cut this to 5 and 20, 5 to the 10, 0. So 20 will be remaining here. 28 into 20 will be 560. So we will check if we have 560. Yes, this is our answer.